భగవద్గీత ఫస్ట్ చాప్టర్ 4, 5, 4th, 5th, 6th చాప్టర్స్. పాస్యాయితం పాండుపుత్రాణం అకార్యమహతం కౌమ్యం వాయుధం ద్రుపద పుత్రేణ తవ శిష్యేన ధమి మత. Behold, O teacher, this mighty army of the sons of Pandu are led by the sons of Drupada, the gifted people. The reason Drupada referred to Drashtaryunama, who was gifted to dispel of Drona himself, details are given. Atrasura Maheshwaha Bhima-Arjuna Samadhyoti Yoyodhana Uttri Drupada Maheshava Dhrastateshu Saktenaha Kasi Rajeska Vairyaha Punarichit Kaunte Bojasa Sai Bhayaka Nara Punyagavaha Yudhama Vivakranta Uttama Jagha Vairyavat Subhaptro Drupado Pakya Sarpa Eva Maharataha. Hero and heroes, mighty archers, equal in the battle to Bhima and Arjuna, the great warrior Yuddha Virata Drupada, the valiant Drakshatu, Siktena, the heroic kings of Kasi, the best men Purojit, the Saibha, the powerful Yudha Manyu, and the brave Uttama Jasa, the son of Subhadra and the sons of Draupadi, Lord of great charity holds. Asmakam tu vishata tanimhum devi tojamaha nayaka mama sainyasya samajhanardhanatan bhavimene. Now let me tell you about your own army. O best among the twice, I shall tell you by their names the same of the outstanding heroes on our side.